Williams, and this is Ruth Begley, and she's going to be showing us how to make a weed detox soup. So show us how to do it.
Well, we're going to start with some boiled potatoes, chopped and peeled. We have them already done with 2 cups of water. So we're going to take the lid off there. So I was wondering if you could please saute me some onions.
I sure can.
So I have 1 onion and 1 tablespoon of oil.
Okie dokie, I'll just get the temperature right here.
That sounds wonderful.
Okay, and we're just going to put some oil in.
So I'm just going to start chopping up some Miner's lettuce. So we need about 1 cup. You don't really have to worry too much about chopping it because we're going to be blending it to make a lovely, delicious, creamy soup.
Sounds great.
I just always have my soups blended, and I don't really like soups when they've got chunks now because I'm so used to it. It must be like a baby. I like it smooth. So I'm just going to pop it all in here, and because there's hot water in here, it'll just sort of seep the leaves so they'll get nice and moist so that they'll be easy to blend. And so we have this lovely chickweed here. So I just need about 1 cup, and those onions are smelling good.
They are, and they're sizzling away. You probably can hear them quite loudly.
So I hope you guys all give this a go at home.
Nothing like sauteed onions.
I used to know this lady, and she said, you know, when you've had a hard day with the children and your husband comes home and he wants to know what's for dinner, and you're so tired you can't even think about it, you just always put onions on. It's that smell of onions makes your husband feel that dinner is on its way and it's going to taste good.
It's probably very true. When I put onions and garlic in everything I cook. It's very good.
So as you see, this is pretty easy. Am I able to get you to do some stinging needle for me?
I can do that for you.
So when you do stinging needle, you'll need gloves. But if you hold the plant upside down with one hand and then use the other glove, just do this. And most of the leaves should fall off, so it's not too hard. It doesn't have to pick each leaf off.
Alright, let's give it a go. We'll have a go at all of them.
You might need to just do one at a time. Yeah.
That sounds good. So I'll just pop one down here. So we all heard that, we'll just do one at a time to make it quick and easy. And it's stuck on there, there we go. I'll take that. There's that one.
That's great. And because these are very fresh,
look at that one, that come off really easy.
Fresh and young, it doesn't actually matter too much if you have any stalks in there, if they're young ones. It's all going to be blended.
Yep. There we go. I'll give you that.
You must have tough fingers.
You must have. It seems to be with the gloves slipping off a little bit there. There we go. Because it's been blended, it's going to be fine.
It's looking great.
I'm going to get all that off there like that.
I think there's probably around about 1 cup. That'll be fine.
I think that looks good. So I'm just going to take these away and out of your way so you don't hurt yourself there.
I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in here. The onions are looking a bit brown now.
They're looking great, aren't they?
But because these are teaspoons, I'm just putting a wee bit more in. About 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to put some salt in. 2 teaspoons.
What sort of salt are you using?
This is sea salt.
Oh yes, it looks very nice.
Right, I'm going to chop some.
It's a coarse sea salt, is it?
Yeah. About a cup of dandelion.
What are we going to do with the onions?
Right, they look like they're about done, so they can come in here now.
Right.
Just pour them over the top.
Very, very hot.
They're a wee bit caramelised, but that's okay. That's wonderful.
And we'll turn this off.
Right, now I'm just going to pop 1 can of coconut cream on top, and that'll weigh it down. and that'll just help with blending. Oh, it smells delicious.
Looks amazing.
Okay, so I'm going to make a wee bit of noise. Hopefully it's not too loud for you. Let's squish it down a wee bit. Looks like it's about done. So we'll just pop it on the heat to boil up now, but make sure you put the lid on so you don't have any massive mess to clean up. I'll just take that.
You to take that, and I'll just pop this on. So you just want to boil it?
Yep.
That looks amazing. It didn't seem to take too long at all to do, did it?
Pretty easy.
Oh, it's bubbling
Wow,
away.
looks like this is ready. I think we can turn that off now. Thank you.
Great.
Right, shall we give it a try?
I reckon so.
Yeah?
It's bubbling away.
It's very hot. So basically you just need to bring it to the boil and that's pretty much it. So,
And you can smell the coconut from here. It's amazing.
let's see if I can not
Very, very green.
make a big mess everywhere.
You're doing a good job. Wow.
And so when you spill a little on the side, you just put a weed there and it just disguises it. And if I can do this,
Very fancy.
this is just some coconut cream. Just gonna drizzle a little bit around. Oops.
Oh, that looks pretty impressive.
Okay.
Actually, it looks like a chef.
Do you want to try it?
I'd love to try it.
It'll be hot. You'll have to blow on it.
I think you should go into MasterChef with this one. I'm going to try a little bit.
It'll be super, super hot.
Yeah, don't want to burn myself. It smells really good.
Check for the facial expressions.
Okay, and I don't tell lies, so you'll know. Actually, that actually tastes really good.
I'll pay later.
No, it really does. It's very nice. I'm going to lick the spoon. Yum. Well, thank you, Ruth, for showing us how to make such a delicious soup. And it looks so professional and lovely. I just love it. So it's just amazing that God has provided plants that are so beautiful to look at. And we can use it in multiple ways, as we've demonstrated right here.
Yeah.
So it's just amazing. Thank you.